In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have the HubSpot tools available right inside Outlook, making it easier to log emails, track activity, and keep your CRM up to date without switching tabs. Before we start, make sure you have access to both a HubSpot account and a Microsoft Outlook account. It also helps to be signed into each in your browser and to know which account you want to connect, especially if you use multiple profiles at work. Let's begin inside HubSpot. Look toward the top right of your dashboard for the Marketplace icon. It's the entry point to the HubSpot app marketplace, where you can find official integrations. Click that icon to open the marketplace. Once you're there, use the search bar and type Outlook. You should see the Outlook app that connects HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook. Open that listing to review the details, then click Install. This starts the connection from the HubSpot side and prepares the permissions you'll need. Right after that, you'll be taken to the Microsoft Marketplace. Here, you'll install the HubSpot Sales app to your Microsoft Outlook account. This is the Outlook add-in that brings HubSpot features into your inbox. Click to install it and follow the on-screen prompts. If you're using a work or school account, your organization may manage add-ins centrally. If you see an approval message, that simply means your administrator needs to allow the add-in. Throughout this process, make sure you're signed in on both platforms so the permissions can be granted correctly. In HubSpot, stay logged into the account you want to connect. In Microsoft, use the Outlook account where you want the add-in to appear. When prompted, approve permissions on both sides. The permissions allow the tools to communicate securely, letting HubSpot log and track email activity in the right place. Once the installation completes, you're essentially done. That's all there is to it. The integration will link HubSpot with Outlook, so you can access CRM functionality from your inbox. Depending on your environment, it may take a moment for the add-in to appear in Outlook. When it does, you'll typically see HubSpot options in your Outlook ribbon or message pane, confirming everything is connected. To recap, we opened the HubSpot Marketplace, searched for the Outlook app, clicked Install, then completed the installation in the Microsoft Marketplace by adding the HubSpot Sales app to Outlook. Staying signed in and allowing permissions on both platforms is the key to a smooth setup. And there you go. That's all you need to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook.